Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a very good day. Welcome back to your math class. We were revising the chapter addition and today we are going to solve some word problems. We have done these things multiple times in our classroom, so we will not waste much time and we will quickly revise them so that we can start learning chapters from grade 5 now. Moving to the lesson. Revise. We did this in first video. These are a few addition words that we already know. The first word is add. Add means jodna. Sum means the answer that we get after doing an addition problem. Plus means the symbol we use for addition. Join, combine, all together means sab kuch jod ke, for which we do use addition again. Both means dono mila ke. In all, sab mila ke, total, increase. All these words mean the same, which means we have to add these numbers, and for add these numbers we use the symbol plus. So we're not going to waste any more time here. Let's directly do the questions now. The first question is, just give me a second. Sorry. Yeah. Anna has 15,268 rupees. So first I'm going to write place values here so that I can read the number properly. Unit is 100, then 1000, and then 10,000. So I'm drawing a bucket here. I'm drawing a bucket here. So 15,268 rupees in her bank account. Anna के पास 15,268 rupees किधर है? In her bank account. She deposited. Friends, what is the meaning of deposited? Deposit meaning जमा करना. जब भी whenever we add some money to our bank account, जब भी हम अपने बैंक अकाउंट में कोई भी पैसे जमा करते हैं, we do deposit. We deposit the amount. So how much amount did she deposit in her account? Let's write the place values, units, tens, hundreds, and thousand. So 1,498 rupees. Anna के पास पहले से 15,268 rupees थे in her bank account, and then later on she deposited. उसने जमा किया 1,498 rupees more, और ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. So अगर उसने जमा किया, it means what? पैसे और जुड़ गए ना, उसने जोड़ा. So which operation are we going to use? What is the amount in Anna's bank account now? Anna के बैंक अकाउंट में अभी कितने पैसे हैं? So अगर पहले इतने थे और उसके बाद और ऐसे जोड़ दिए, तो we are going to do addition. So let's do addition here. We are going to write the place values first. Always writing place value no matter what. 1,000 and 10,000. Sorry for the terrible handwriting. Okay, first Anna के पास पहले थे 15,268 rupees, and later on बाद में जाके उसने कितना जोड़ा? उसने जोड़ा 1,498 rupees. This is also 8. Drawing a beautiful line. Adding the units place values first. 8 plus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Can I write 16 here? Tell me. No, we can't write 16 here because units 16 means 1/10 and 6 units, right? So 1/10 will go for carry over here. Now we will add tens place value. 6 plus 9 is 15, and 1 carry over means 16 again. So 16 tens means 106 tens. So 1 goes carry over here, and I'm going to rub this 1 from here. All right, moving on to hundreds place value. 2 plus 4, simple, 6, and 1 carry over, 7. Perfect. Thousands place value is 5 plus 1, 6, and 10,000 place value is 1. So answer, Anna has 16,766 rupees in her bank account now. पहले Anna के पास इतने थे, फिर इतने जुड़ गए. Then we did addition. Addition के लिए we started from units place value. अगर कोई number carry over पे गया, So next place value में भेज दिया, and then we added the next place value till we reached the highest place value, and now this much amount is what Anna has. Quickly do this in your notebook. Moving to question number 2. The question is, in a library, there are, let's write place values first, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. So in a library, there are 14,987 English books. Library में English books कितने हैं? 14,987. Simple. Place values, units, tens, hundreds, and thousand. 8,742 Marathi books. Itne English books, itne Marathi books. And how many Hindi books? Let's write the place values first. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. 98,743 Hindi books. Itne English books hai, itne Marathi books hai, and itne Hindi books hai. Find the total number of books in the library. For finding the total number of books, friends, what are we going to do? We're going to add, right? Total मिलाने के लिए तो add ही करना पड़ेगा ना. इतने English books है, इतने Marathi books है, इतने Hindi books है. सब करने के लिए हमको जोड़ना पड़ेगा. So जोड़ने के लिए we do addition, right? Let's write place values first. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. So how many English books does the library have? The library has 14,987. How many Marathi books does the library have? It has 8,742. And how many Hindi books does the library have? The library has 98,743. What is the question? What are we supposed to do? We're supposed to find the total number of books. So total number of books ke liye we're going to add, and let's add from the units place value. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. 12 units means 2 units and 1 tens. Let's add the tens place value now. 8 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 4 again is 13, 14, 15, 16. And there is one carryover here. So 17 tens means 7 tens and 1 hundreds. Let's add hundreds place value now. 9 plus 7 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Plus 7 is 16 plus 7 is, tell me, it's 23, and there is one place one carryover here. So it's 24, which means 4 hundreds and 2 thousands. Let's add thousands place value now. 4 plus 8 is 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 8 is 20, and there is a 2 carryover here. So 22, which means 2 thousands and 2 10,000s. For this, let's see. 1 plus 9 is very simple, 10, and 2 carryover is 12. So that's how many books the library has. That's the total number of the books the library has. Simple. Quickly do this in your notebook. The next question is, at a meeting addressed by a political leader, एक political leader ने एक meeting address किया था. Address किया था मतलब एक meeting रखा था जिसमें वो कुछ बोल रहा था. There were 2,000. Let's write the place values first. No, I'm not going to tell. Units, tens, sorry, hundreds, and thousand. Let's write place value for here too. Tens, hundreds, and thousand. Units, tens, and hundred. All right. So at a meeting addressed by a political leader, एक political leader ने जब एक meeting address किया था, there were 2,649 men, 2,649 आदमी थे, लोग थे, 3,259 women, औरतें कितनी थी, 3,259, and 837 children, बच्चे कितने थे, 837. The question, now look at the question, this is the question mark, means this is where our question lies. How many people, कितने लोग were present at the meeting? इतने आदमी थे, इतने औरत थे, इतने बच्चे थे. These many men, 2,649, 3,259 women, and 837 children. So total log, how many people total? How many people are there? What operation are we going to use, friends? जब हम सबको एक साथ इकट्ठा करके जोड़ रहे हैं, what operation are we using? We're using addition, right? So we're going to add here, writing the place values, units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. First, how many men are there? There are 2,649 men. How many women are there? There are 3,259 women. And how many children are there? There are 837 children. What are we going to do? We're going to add. So let's add, starting from units place value. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. Do this addition on your own. Okay, so 25 units means 5 units and 2 tens. Moving on to tens place value. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 14 tens mean 4 tens and 1 hundreds to carry over. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And plus 1 carry over is 17. 1 carry over here. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Plus 1 carry over is 6. So 6,745 people were present at the meeting. Men, women and children को मिलाकर जोड़ने के बाद, this is the number of people that we got. Clear? Quickly do this in your notebook. Moving on to the fourth question. In an election, एक election में there were 3 candidates. How many candidates? 3 candidate थे. मतलब election जो लड़ने वाले थे, ऐसे 3 लोग थे, 3 participants थे. The first candidate got, let's write units, tens, hundreds and thousand. जो पहला कैंडिडेट था उसको 2,635 वोट्स मिले. ऑलराइट, द फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट गॉट 2,635 वोट्स. द सेकंड कैंडिडेट गॉट यूनिट्स, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड. द सेकंड कैंडिडेट गॉट 2,583 votes, and the third candidate got units, tens, hundreds and thousand. 1,307 votes. पहले कैंडिडेट को इतना वोट्स मिला, सेकंड कैंडिडेट को इतना वोट्स मिला, एंड थर्ड कैंडिडेट गॉट दीज मेनी वोट्स. इन ऑल मींस व्हाट फ्रेंड्स? इन ऑल मींस सब मिला के हाउ मेनी वोट्स वर पोल्ड, कितने वोट्स आए थे. इन ऑल मींस सब कुछ मिला के, सब कुछ जोड़ के. When we are adding everything, when we see the word in all, what does it mean? What are we going to do? Which operation? We're going to add, right? So we're going to add here, but first we're going to write the place values, units, tens, hundreds and thousand. All right. So the first candidate got 2,635. रिमेंबर, एक इलेक्शन में 3 कैंडिडेट्स थे. पहले कैंडिडेट को इतना मिला, दूसरे कैंडिडेट को इतना मिला, तीसरे कैंडिडेट को इतना मिला. तो पूरे इलेक्शन में कितने लोगों ने वोट किया, ये सब मिला के जितना नंबर आया, दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ वोट्स, राइट? टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स. सेकंड कैंडिडेट गॉट 2,583 3 votes and the third candidate got 1307. We are going to add because we have to find the number of votes in all. Starting with units place value, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 units means 5 units and 1 tenths. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 0 is 11. And 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 tenths means 2 tenths and 1 hundredths. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 1 carryover is 15. 15 hundreds means 5 hundreds and 1 thousands. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 plus 1 carryover is 6. So the total number of votes that were polled is 6,525. Clear? Please do this in your notebook. And this is, I guess, the last question. Let's read the question first. Find the sum. So as soon as we see the word sum, we know that we have to add and get the answer. Sum means answer for any addition. अभी किसका addition करना है? Let's see. Smallest 4-digit number, 3-digit number and 2-digit number. सबसे छोटा 4-digit, सबसे छोटा 3-digit and सबसे छोटा 2-digit. So I'm going to write 4-digit सबसे छोटा first. 1, 2, 3, 4. सबसे छोटा 3-digit के लिए I'm going to draw 3 dashes. And सबसे छोटा 2-digit के लिए I'm going to draw 2 dashes. I'm going to write place values here, units, tens, hundreds, and thousand. All right. Sum means we have to add. So I'm going to add here. सबसे छोटा 4-digit के लिए can I write 0, 0, 0, 0? But if I write 0 in all places, this number becomes 0 and it's not a 4-digit number anymore. So what number do I write here? Taki the number is a 4-digit number, but it is still the smallest. 0 से थोड़ा सा बड़ा, but still छोटा कौन सा number है? 1, right? So can I write 100 here? So it becomes 1000 and it's now a 4-digit number and it is the smallest 4-digit number. Just like that, I'm going to write 100 for the smallest 3-digit number, and for the smallest 2-digit number, I'm going to write 10. Let's draw a line. Units 0, 10, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and 1, and that's our answer. Simple. Quickly do this in your notebook. And these are the questions that you have to do on your own in notebook. So after you finish this questions and send me a picture, Didi will give you a worksheet. I'm going to read these questions for you. Aman has 15,874 rupees with him. Sorry, Aman के पास कितने रुपए है? 15,874. Aman's mother gifts him 1,401 rupees. Remember to write place values here. How much money does Aman have in total? Aman के पास total कितने पैसे हैं? Question number 2. Find the sum of the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. Largest 5-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, find the sum. Question number 3. In a meeting, there were 15,478 men, 6,985 women, and 153 children. How many people were there in the meeting all together? These 3 questions you are doing in your notebook right now. You're sending me a picture, and after you send me a picture, I will give you a worksheet. And with that, it's time for worksheet. After you show me these answers, remember you're supposed to submit your worksheet before 8 p.m. so that you can get a star in the leaderboard. And thank you so much for watching the video. You guys are doing an amazing job. Keep doing homework, keep being the leaders, and bye-bye.